Let's make our connections in here. So we've now got this 3-core to replace our twin and CPC. So we've got to make our connections. Well, let's start off with the CPC. They just go together in the back of the box, again, fully insulated, so no exposed conductive parts. So they're tightened into place. So they're my CPCs in there. So I've got my 3-core cable. We know from the other end now what we've worked out everything's going to be. We said that our grey conductor is going to be identified as our neutral. So we bring our blue sleeve in, and we're going to put those together in our Wago 221 connector. So pop those into there to make our connections. So that's our neutral connections. And then we've got our black one, which is our switching line connection. So we put our brown sleeving on there, and that goes the other side of the switch into L1. We'll connect that one up. We've got a cable now we've got to find a home for. So this is the additional one. This is the one we never had last time. This is the extra conductor in the 3-core. We put this one in the other end into our loop terminal because it's our permanent line connection. Sometimes on site they're calling it a permanent live. So that's a permanent line connection. So where is that? We know the connector block here for the Wago 221 is our neutrals. We know our CPCs are here. We know our black is our switching line. So that means our permanent line connection is here in common, and the 2 browns will need to go together in there. So I need to bring this new conductor that wasn't in the system before. The extra core becomes our permanent line, and it will join this one into the common. So once I've got those connections in place, we will have taken that extra feed up to the light point that didn't have it previously. So they go together in there, tighten them up, and that's our 3-core introduced rather than a twin and CPC, meaning that we've got the 3-core that will carry our permanent line connection, the 3-core that will carry our neutral connection and our CPC, as well as our switching line connections up to the lighting point. Still can have a smart switch here because I've still got my neutral at this point. So in the future, this can be changed for a smart switch. So all my connections there, we're very comfortable with. We've used a 3-core in CPC rather than a twin in CPC, but not to aid us here because we already had our neutral down here. The 3-core was a massive benefit. We have gained our permanent connection to line in our loop. So if we come into the ceiling rows, we undo it and we want a loft light, we can just pick up our line, neutral and CPC and go off and wire either the 2-plate or 3-plate method in that area. They extend the building. This is a light fitting, say, in a dining area, and they put another extension onto the building, and they want that building to take the lighting circuit through. You can come straight from the lighting point, line, neutral and CPC.